how to make $1,000 per day using this Google glitch. Hey, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. So check it out. This video I did not edit, and I'm going to tell you why in a moment, because I discovered a glitch where you can do right now to earn $1,000 straight to your PayPal account in the next 24 to 48 hours. Now listen, usually I edit my videos here, but I wanted to get this video out to you right now. Listen, if you use this, if you follow everything that you're going to see and hear in the video, there's no opportunity that you can fail. Even a third grader can do this. I mean, it's so simple, but listen, I have to warn you, you have a short timeline to do this because it's hot right now, okay? So listen, what I want to do, I'm going to get right into it. Hey, go ahead and smash the like button. Show me some love, baby. Sub to the channel. Smash the like button because I will continue to make videos for you every day. And guess what? I'm well. No more sickness. But check it out. First step is to go to google.com. So listen, go ahead and do that now. Go to google.com. Maybe bring out your other laptop or your phone. You can do this on your phone. And the great thing about this technique, it's not affiliate marketing. It's not any type of JV stuff, clickbait. No, none of that stuff. This is for brand new people on the internet that have never made money online. And Google has a glitch, and now we're going to expose it together as you watch this so you can make $1,000 per day starting right now. And I'm going to prove it to you. So you go to google.com. Check it out. You're going to type in Google News, okay? Google News here, you're going to click on Google News, and Google News basically has the most updated information about all the chaos that happens on the world. And I'm going to show you how to make money on chaos, right? On drama. Smash the like button if you like chaos and drama. Yeah, I know some of you are like, I don't like chaos. Really? Listen, Google News is a website that shows you all the events that are taking place real time. And there's a glitch here where I'm going to show you how to monetize it and use Google News, the drama stories, what you're looking at right now, to make money straight to your PayPal account. Now listen, if you don't have PayPal, I'm going to give you some other ways to get the money at the end of the video. So make sure you pay close attention and don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, you smash it for your brother. Smash it! There you go. So check it out. So listen, I have a friend that's already doing this. He's killing it right now. And you have business, you have technology, you have entertainment. So basically, it shows you all the news stories that are like hot right now. But what I'm going to do for you, because I like you, like I really like you, you cool, right? I'm going to show you what you need to focus on, what I know what's paying out right now on a 24 to 48 hour basis. And we're talking about $1,000 per day if you decide to do this right now, okay? So we're going to focus on health. Just click on health. Click on health here, and you're going to see all the health stuff. Whoa, oh my God, newfound variant of HIV progresses to AIDS faster, maybe more transmissible. Oh my God, oh Lord. Look, right here has all the health stories that are booming right now. Now listen, this is booming. It's 3 hours. So listen, you want to take advantage of that, and I'm going to show you how. You're going to click on it like this, okay? And you're going to look at the article. Give me a second here. Come on. Do this. Snap with me. This is how you make money. Snap. Check it out. So you're going to scroll down here. And all you're going to do is, oh man, look at that ugly picture. Oh my God. Listen, practice safe sex, first of all. Strap it up, guys. Look, you want to copy this. This is how you're going to get the money to your PayPal account. At least $1,000 here. Okay. Let me see if it's going to let me. Okay, there we go. So what you want to do is you want to copy the article, because this article right now is hot around the internet. But what you want to do is take advantage of the hotness, right? It's very relevant right now that people are searching this stuff, right? It's hot based off of Google News, right? Which is the #1 search engine on the planet, right? So then what you do is you go to a site by the name of spinbot.com. spinbot.com. That is spinbot.com. Listen, if you need to pause this video and listen again, do that, okay? Because I don't want you to miss out on the money. It's like the easiest, simplest way to make this money here, okay? Copy and paste the article. So what we're going to do is we want to use the article, but we want to spin it because we want to spin it in our words. But the great thing about SpinBot, it does all the work for us, so we don't have to do any work. Smash the like button if you are willing to do no work and still make $1,000 a day. Smash the like button. Now listen, if you want to be like some other people and really work hard to make money, that's cool too. But I've learned and figured out ways to make money online easier for new people such as yourself. So this is what we're doing here. Spin it. As you can see here, I got to do this little puzzle. These things are cool. They're funny. Okay, come on. Oh, hold on. Slide it, slide it. Let me see. Can I get it? Can I get it? Let's go! I did it. I did it. It's done deal. Check it out. So what you're going to do is copy this. So what it's done is if rearranged the words in a way that it still makes sense, but now you, okay, money maker, can actually make money using that. So I'm going to keep it very simple. Like I promise you, smash the like button if you'll like how I keep this so simple. I mean, I'm going to keep it very simple for you. And smash the sub to the channel if you just want to see, you know, this black brother talking to you on a daily basis here to make some money here. Look, go to the site here. People don't know about this site, but I'm going to give it to you. Go to eatingwell.com. Go there right now. You big head. Go right now. Go to eatingwell.com, okay? And as you can see here, this has been updated January 5th, 2022, because it's new. That's why I said it's like urgent for you to do this right now. So basically, Eating Well is nothing but a blog, okay? It's a blog that makes millions of dollars per year. And what they do is they will pay people like you to submit articles. And I'm talking about $1 per word. Check it out. Look, pay rate. I can't make this up. That's what it says. Pay rate up to $1 per word. When my friend told me about this, I said I had to get it out to the masses, to people, my subscribers on my channel here. So it's $1 per word. So do the math here. If you have over 100 words here, that's $100. 200 words, that's $200. You see, that's 963 words. So that's $900, almost $1,000, right? And it's up to you. And all you need to do is this. You take that article and you submit it to pitches@eatingwell.com. That's pitches@eatingwell.com. It's just that simple. And if they like your article, get ready. They're going to send you a paycheck. That's just how easy it is. It's that simple. You're using a hot article on Google News, right? In the health niche, you're going to go to SpinBot, spin it, send it to them. And I promise you, watch them send you cash. And what I like, well, what my friend likes to do, he sends like one per day so he can make $1,000 per day. Now, listen, I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, is it an easier way? Of course it is. Okay? It's an easier way to do this. They have software. The software is brand new. It's not even in America, right? The guy that coded it, what he did was he created a software that allows you as a beginner to do everything that you just saw here, to plug it in to a software called Glitch. And within seconds, once you put it together, it takes about 30 minutes to get it done. A click of a button, boom. It does everything that I just showed you here automatically. So that means that you'll be having a business within 24 to 48 hours, making $1,000 a day, not going to the job, not in the freezing cold, not going to school, but making money from your laptop and your phone. And it will happen over and over again. All you need is a PayPal account, a bank account. They even pay in crypto. It's up to you. Listen, if you want access to that software, if you look in the description below, it's available. Now, if you'd rather do it the long, hard way, go ahead and do it. Watch the video again and do it that way. But listen, if you're just that person and say, Wes, this stuff is tough. I love your videos. I'm a subscriber for life. But is there an easier way? Of course. It's artificial intelligence. It's software automation. This is what I'm using in 2022. I'm creating businesses every 14 days using software. Now, I'm going to give you the software right now on this video in the description below. Now, listen, If you click that link and it's sold out, you're too late. If you click that link, that means that it's sold out and you can't get access to the membership area. It's a membership area here. It's very tight. Many people won't get in. But listen, I talked to the vendor. I talked to the guy. He's my friend. He's allowing me to give you access right now. Listen, I don't know if you're 20, 30, 40, or 50 years old, but what if this is your one opportunity to change everything using the software called Glitch that exposes the loopholes in Google, so you'll see $1,000 per day every single day for the rest of your life. Imagine that. Hey, much love. Thanks for liking the video. Thanks for subbing to the channel. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. Yeah. Come on, folks. Let's go.